Hi everyone, KFC here, bringing you another video. So guys, we are going to Vegas Mall, Dwarka Sector 14. And presently we are staying in Dwarka Sector 9. But the mall that we are going today is Vegas Mall, which is in Dwarka Sector 14. And we are 6 of us. We have Maximus. We have you, Sun, Zhang, 7 of us, 7 of us. I'm going to show you the new mall today because I haven't vlogged any videos about Vegas Mall. So guys, this is Sector 12. I used to work here as a music teacher back in 2014. Google, what you're gonna do today at Vegas Mall?
Hot dog and KFC.
KFC. No games? I doubt so. My Max, what you're gonna do at Vegas Mall today?
I play games and eating KFC.
Okay, that's all?
Just
Games.
KFC and just games.
Okay. Are you enjoying today?
Yes.
Let's go to the mall, right?
Yes. It's nice.
Teho Dwarka Sector 13 tang the. Mi hai edition blue eh. Ma rai how 2014 how edition blue then ka stoi then holung law eh. Edition blue how sada to ticket lo ni wong dum te. Spring season then up pai na ha ha pa ding the sai to. Ani rai ka lung lam me apartment hin de se. Thang ta lung lao tung the rai khang ni. Vegas Mall tăng ra biển thế, hình thế thì hậu thế đi. Mall đó thế, anh yêu rai họ lung mắm đó họ phụ tùng mall mẹ cái. So guys, we finally reached Vegas Mall. So guys, we reached Vegas Mall. Thì là đây này mall đại mẹ khát thế. Mà sai suti thì nằm sai như cái mà. Vegas Mall. Whoa. Guys, we're finally at the mall. Vegas Mall. Escalator ngắn hết à? Mall tao mày party bằng thế. Enjoy Saigo. So guys, we are finally at the food court area again. We are going to eat first and then we will check out the mall. Guys, we're getting ready to eat KFC. The boys are really happy. This is Manai, this is Chun, Duan, Brendan, Jill, Maximus. We are 7 of us, 7 family members.太好烤了，它这个。 Guys, this looks like fish. So guys, we are done eating, but one of our family Avenger is still munching, eating. So guys, we had our lunch and we are here at game section. Henley's shop. Masai and the bear.
Give me the victory sign. Next thing. Next, like this. Next one, like this. Next.
Lốp cày đây. So we are almost done and we are coming back to the mall campus. Do you want to go home? Coi ta đi hả? Này, plum gọi đây, plum ta fun house ka. Fun City. Fun City có plum plum mà tới cái đó tung he. Plum lạc khác một đây này ạ. So guys, we are done with the activities and it's time to head back home. Hello Tutir. Who are you Tutir? Who is here? Tao nồng coi, tao nồng coi. Group 5 ko. Ako kam. Ako na camel dong mom da. Mo no ha photo nam la pun da. Mo no ha dong ha family photo de. Ready hang up pose Max. Rongmei. Max, are you ready? So yes to what? Ago, you ready? Yes to what? They are charging 300 rupees for 2 jeep, only 5 minutes. So the ride is completed. So guys, we are heading back home, and we had a great time together.
I'm tired.
Come here, come here.
I'm tired.
You're tired. We are going home, okay? Let's book a cab.
Night. Okay, brother.
We had a great time. Agu, do you have fun today? So it's already 6 o'clock in the evening. Signing out. Bye bye.